Hello guys, today we are here to discuss model paper environmental studies from paper 1 released by the website. Okay, so 21st question goes like this. A boy is moving on a circular path of radius 7 centimeter with uniform speed. He takes 10 seconds to complete one rotation. His displacement after 5 seconds, they ask. So here what we have to consider is, so here consider a circle like this. And so the radius is what? 7 centimeter. So let us consider this as option position A. So to complete one rotation, to come to a same point, that is to a point A, he takes 10 seconds. Okay, they are asking his displacement at 5 seconds, his displacement at 5 seconds. So what we have to consider here, instead of considering the whole circumference formula, we can consider the circumference of semicircle. Otherwise, if you consider circumference of a circle, that is C is equal to 2 pi into R. So 2 pi means what? 22 by 7. R is 7 itself. 7 get cancels. So you will get around, just a minute. Yeah, 7 get cancelled. So you will get around 44 centimeter of displacement for one complete rotation. That is for 10 seconds. So for 10 seconds, you got what? 44 centimeter. So here, C circumference is equal to 2 pi R. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R. R is 7. This is we are considering for one complete rotation. So 7 get cancelled. We got 44. We got 44 centimeter for one rotation. Right? That is for 10 seconds. One rotation he took 10 seconds. So what for 5 seconds? 5 seconds. So 10 seconds ge 44 centimeter adre. For 5 seconds, how much? So divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. So when you divide 44 by 2, we will get it around 22 centimeter. We will get it around 22 centimeter. So the right option is here 22 centimeter. So the right option here is 22 centimeter. This is the right option. Here in this, we have to consider 2 pi R formula. Then divide it by 2. Divide the answer by 2. Next, a stone of mass 2 kg is moving with uniform velocity 10 meter per second. An iron ball of 1 kg is moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second. Which of the following statement is true? So here they have given mass. Let us consider mass of stone as M1. M1 is what? 2 kg. Okay. And velocity is of stone is V1 as 10 meter per second. Okay. 10 meter per second. So this is M1. This is V1. Okay. And iron ball is M2. So this is M2, right? Iron ball, mass of iron ball. And the velocity of iron ball is V2. They asked which of the following statement is true. Iron ball is having more momentum. Stone is having more momentum. Both of them have same momentum. Both of them don't have any momentum. For this this question, we have to remember one formula. Momentum is indicated or represented by small letter p. So it's equal to m into v, that is mass into velocity. P is equal to, or you can write, if you avoid the confusion, so you can write momentum is equal to, momentum is given by m into v, mass into v. So m of stone is 2 kg and velocity of stone is 10. So m of stone, momentum of stone, we will get it around 20, right? So we will get it around 20. So same way, when you consider iron ball, m into v, m is what here? M is 1 and v is 40. So the momentum of iron ball will be 40. Momentum of iron ball. Iron ball is 40 and then stone is what? 20. Momentum of stone is 20. So by this we can tell that iron ball has maximum, or it has more momentum than the stone. So option 1 is a right answer here. For second question, option 1 is a right answer. Next. Next we have 123rd. That is 123rd question. A ball is thrown vertically upwards. The acceleration due to gravity is. So here what happens? You have to just imagine the situation. When a ball is thrown upwards, okay, it speeds initially increases, okay, and then it stops at certain level. Then its speed decreases. So here increases as ball rises up, decreases as ball rises up, remains constant. So the acceleration due to gravity usually increases. Acceleration due to gravity, that is velocity per unit time, is called acceleration, right? So velocity initially firstly increases and finally when it at certain position, at certain height, it becomes 0 and again it decreases, right? So the answer here is option number 4. Option 4 is a right answer. Next. When a ray of light travels from air through glass slab, it changes its direction because option 1, air is gas and glass slab is solid. Temperature of air is more than temperature of glass slab. Density of air is less than density of glass slab. Air is moving, glass slab is stationary. So as it relates to the ray of light, it relates to the bending of the ray of light. Here, temperature, movement, solid and gas or states of matter are not going to consider. We are not going to consider these all for the direction of the light. So here, the considered factor is only the density of light, the refractive index, which is directly or related to the density, no? So option 3 is a right answer. For this, you can refer SSLC light chapter. SSLC light chapter. In this, you have a clear concept of the change in direction of light. Next, unit of resistance is. Resistance means what? Opposition occurred for the flow of current. Okay, so the unit of resistance is ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm. Volt. Volt is the unit of potential difference. Volt is the unit of potential difference. Then ampere is the unit of current. Ampere is the unit of current. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Okay. Next. So unit of resistance is ohm. An image of height 45 centimeter is formed when an object of height 15 centimeter is placed in front of concave mirror. Magnification of image is. So for this, we should know the formula of magnification. So the formula of magnification is height of the image divided by height of the object. H dash is height of the image. H0 is height, H0 is height of the object. So here H dash is what? Height of the image. Image height is 45 centimeter. 45. Right, divided by height of the object is what's 15. 15 ones are 15 threes are. So the right answer is plus 3 times. It is not minus 3 times. Height of the image is 3 times the height of the object. So plus 3 times, as it is more than the image, more than the object, as the length is more than the object, the answer will be plus 3 times. So option 3 is the right answer here. Which eye defect is corrected by using bifocal lens? So here bifocal lens means here they will be using concave plus convex lens. Convex lens, okay. So in this type of lens will be used for the people who has a problem to see the object which are far from them and to see the object which are nearer to them. They have both the problems. They have both defects. They cannot see the far objects clearly as well as they cannot see the nearer objects clearly. That problem is called as, or that eye defect is called as presbyopia. So in the presbyopia condition, we will use bifocal lens. Okay, presbyopia. Next. So here the answer is option 3, presbyopia. Next. Scientist stated 10% law. Which scientist stated 10% law? Here first 10% law means in the food chain, the energy transfer takes place. That is from producers to consumers, from consumers to secondary consumers, like that, right? For example, if we consider grass, grass is a producer. It is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. So this each stage, each step is called as trophic level. So when the energy is transferred from one trophic level or from one step to other step, 10% of energy, only 10% of energy will be transferring and remaining 90% of energy will be lost in the atmosphere. So this law was given by a scientist named Lindemann in 1942. So option 3 is the right answer. 130th question. Grass, the food chain is given here. Grassland food chain it is. Here A represents what? So eagle will not come as it comes in tertiary consumer. Okay. So here we are having, this is a producer. This is primary consumer. This is secondary consumer. This is tertiary consumer. So eagle will not come here. This is wrong. Then wolf. Wolf will not eat the grass as it is a carnivore. This one, confusion is between grasshopper and sheep. Sheep, even though if you put sheep there, sheep is not eaten by the frog. So here the right answer is option B, grasshopper. The right answer is option B, grasshopper. Okay. Then 131st question. 131st question. pH value of acid rain is. So we know that the pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, which are released from usually automobiles or the vehicles, these gases will dissolve in a rain or a rain droplets, or the way they precipitate and they mixed with the precipitants in the cloud, and they will form the acids, and the rain will come as an acid rain. So this nitrogen dioxide will form into nitric acid or a nitrous acid. Sulfur dioxide is formed as sulfuric acid. And these acids will fall in the form of a rain. This is called acid rain. So in the acid, when we consider or when we study the pH scale, when we study the pH scale, just a minute, when we study the pH scale, if this is a 0, okay, So 1 to 7, the pH scale is from 1 to 7 if we consider. Below, sorry, 1 to 14. Sorry, 1 to 14 is a pH scale. The middle one is 7. Okay, now let me clear it. 1 to 14, middle one is 7. So below, if the pH is below 7, then it is called acid. If the pH is above 7, then it is considered as base. But when we see the options here, this option is neglected because it is a base. And 6.6, it is near to the base. And above 5.6, it might be 8 also, it might be 9 also. This is also cancelled. This is also cancelled. So below 5.6 will be always acid only. So the right answer is option C, that is option 3. Option 3 is a right answer here. Below 5.6. The actual pH of acid rain is pH is equal to 4. The actual value. Next, which is not an example for ex situ conservation. Ex situ conservation. Conservation means what? Protecting the organism. Ex situ means externally, in the atmosphere, in the surroundings. Okay, in their own habitat, in the habitat itself. So botanical garden, wildlife sanctuaries, and pollen banks where pollen grains are stored. So these all are ex situ conservations. But the genes are there, no genes, the structural and functional units of chromosomes, right? So these genes cannot be stored in case of zoo, in case of wildlife sanctuary, in the like in an open theater, like we cannot store it. So gene bank will be stored in a lab in an in situ condition, that is in a laboratory condition. So option 2, gene bank is a right answer here. So today we discussed 10 questions from model paper of environmental studies. Keep supporting me. Please subscribe to my channel. Do like and comment so that it will be an encouragement for me to do more videos. Okay, let me end up the session here. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.